7 types of imagery. Visual imagery, sense of sight. Auditory imagery, sense of hearing. Gustatory imagery, sense of taste. Tactile imagery, sense of touch. Olfactory imagery, sense of smell. Kinesthetic imagery, sense of motion. Organic imagery, internal sensation. Basic elements of poetry. 1. Lyric poetry expresses strong personal emotions. 2. Narrative poetry, a plot-like short story. 3. Dramatic poetry, written in the form of a speech or dialogue. Free verse does not follow a rhythm or rhyme. 5. Ode praises anything and anyone. Poetic structure is a way a poem is organized. Sound devices are techniques poets use to create auditory effects and enhance the musicality. Rhyme scheme, patterns at the end of each line in a poem. Meter, the pattern of beats in a line of poetry. Lute, a unit of rhythm made of syllables. Common meters, iambic, unstressed, stressed. Trochaic, stressed to unstressed. Common sound devices, alliteration, repetition of the initial consonant sounds, A, E, I, O, U. Consonants, repetition of the consonant especially at the end. Repetition, repeats words. Assonance, A, I, E, I, O, I. Onomatopoeia, use of words that imitates objects. 6. Euphony, pleasant sounds. 6. Cacophony, harsh sounds. Science, scientific models and the particle model, a physical and/or mathematical and/or conceptual representation of a system of ideas, events, or processes. Particle, a small portion of matter. Matter, anything that takes up space and can be weighed, has volume and mass. Diagram, a picture which shows exactly how an experiment has been set up. Physical model, a constructed copy of an object that is designed to represent that object. State of matter, one of the distinct forms in which matter can exist. Computer simulation, use of computer to represent the dynamic responses. Property, you can use to describe by observation. 2. Scientific models. Physical model, tangible, scaled representation. Mathematical model. Conceptual model, mental or visual representation. Simulation model, computerized or experimental model that mimics real-world processes. Particle model, made up of tiny particles. Three. States of matter. Solid has a fixed shape and volume. Liquid takes shape of their container. Gas has no fixed shape. Increase in temperature, particles move faster. Decrease in temperature, particles move slower. 4. Changes of state. Solid to liquid, melting. Liquid to solid, freezing. Liquid to gas, evaporation. Gas to liquid, condensation. Liquid to gas, sublimation. Gas to solid, preposition. 4. Changes in matter. Physical change, when a substance changes its shape, size, or state. Usually reversible. Chemical change. When a substance chemical changes, usually irreversible. 5. Planning, following, and recording scientific investigations. A scientific investigation is a way scientists ask questions and find answers and learn about the world using observations. 1. Aim or problem. The question that your investigation is trying to answer. 2. Materials and equipment. All the tools, items, or substances needed to complete the investigation. Method or procedures. Step-by-step instructions for carrying out the experiment. Result. Data of information you collect during investigation. 5. Conclusion. The answer to the problem based on data will be collected. AMMRC. Aim or problem, materials and equipment, methods or procedure, results, and conclusion.